Hello my dear students of Standard 8. Welcome you all in today's online class. Dear students, as you all know it very well that we have finished the chapter 9, reproduction in animals. Dear students, we have done a lot of discussion and finally we have finished the chapter 9, and now we are able to solve question answers related to the concerned chapters that we have finished. So dear friends, let us discuss about the chapter, because you have to prepare notes on the basis of discussion whatever you have discussed so far. So dear friends, let us describe about the chapter. What is the main motto of the chapter? Dear friends, as you all know it that this chapter is totally based on the reproduction in animals. So we have got all information regarding the reproduction in animals. How does this reproduction takes place in animals, and sexual and asexual reproductions, kinds of modes of reproductions, and you have also studied about the reproductive parts in case of the male and female by drawing diagram. So dear friends, it is important to know here about the chapter. Dear friends, let us read about the chapter, which you will have to write the same one. Several processes such as circulation of blood. As you all know it that our several process, just like circulation of blood is continuous in flowing, and digestion and respirations are essential for the survival of human beings and other animals also. So dear friends, all of you know the several process just like circulation of blood, digestion and respiration are essential for the survival of human beings and other animals. Similarly, reproduction is essential to maintain the continuity in the species. Dear students, before starting the chapter, we have described that reproduction is essential because we have to maintain the continuity in the species. So continuity in the species is maintained due to the reproduction. So if reproductions in animal does not take place, on the other hand, if you think like that, if reproduction does not take place, what will be happens? There is only one result in that: no similar kind of organisms will be present on the earth. Generation of the generation. So generation to generation, if you are getting the same species, that is the result of reproduction. This chapter explains about the process of reproduction which takes place in living beings like plants and animals, but here we are only confined to study about reproduction in case of animals. So dear students, whatever you have learned in this chapter tells us about the reproduction. So dear students, let us discuss about the key terms. There are several key terms in your book, so you have to include these certain kinds of the key terms so that you may remember all the contents, all the topics clearly. Reproduction is the shortcut key terms is the short terms of learning. Okay, so reproduction, let us read. First key term is reproduction. So the production of new organism from the existing organisms of same species, means the production of new organism from the existing organism of the same species. Same species के organism से which is already present जो produce करेगी, that is stand for reproduction. Gametes, the cells involved in the sexual reproduction are called gametes. Gametes क्या होते हैं? The cells involved in the sexual reproduction are called gametes. What is the zygote? The new cells which is formed by the fusion of a male gametes and female gamete, that is termed as zygote. What is the fertilization? Dear students, fertilization, the fusion, as you have learned that the fusion of male gamete with a female gamete to form a zygote during sexual reproduction. Testes क्या है? Testes are real reproductive organs in a male. Sperms क्या होता है? Testes make sperms called sperms. Testes makes gametes called sperms. Embryo क्या है? Embryo, what is embryo? An unborn baby at an early stage of development in the uterus. What is fetus? An unborn baby in the uterus at the stage when all body parts can be identified, that stands for fetus. Viviparous animals, the animals which give birth to young ones are called viviparous. Okay. Oviparous animals, those animals which lay eggs from which young ones are hatched later on. Cloning. What is the cloning? Cloning is the reproduction of an exact copy of an animal by means of essential reproduction. So dear students, these are the certain kinds of the key terms which you have to remember that one. Dear students, it is time to move towards the question answer side. Dear students, already you know it very well. There are several question answer categorized in short answer, very short answer and other one. So dear students, all of you have to prepare for that. So let us move towards the question answer sides. So before going to question answer sides, there are very short types of the question answers. First we have to attempt. So dear students, let us read the question answer. Which life process ensures that plant or animals will not disappear from the earth? The question is only one. Which life process ensures that a plant or animal species will not disappear from the earth? So you have to write only answer. So as a result, that is, reproduction is an important life process which ensures that a plant or animal species does not disappear from this earth. Next one, question number 2. What is the name of the reproductive process? What is the name of the reproductive process? Reproductive process का name क्या है? Dear friends, what is the name of the reproductive process? So what is the name of the reproductive process? So there are two questions concerned to that. Let us read them. A question, part A, which involves two parents. Which involves two parents means it will be goes to in a sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, two parents are involved. So when two parents will be involved, it means it will be considered as a sexual reproduction. Next, B parts. Let us read the part B, which involves only one parent. Which involve only one parent, it means in asexual reproductions only one parent is involved. So you have to only categorize them. Next one, read question number 3. Name two animals which reproduce sexually. Name two animals which reproduce sexually. So cows and dogs are reproduce sexually. Cow and dogs are reproduced sexually. अब देखिए काउ और डॉग्स जो होते हैं ये सेक्सुअली रिप्रोडक्शन होता है. ओके. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के बी में देखिए पार्ट्स बी. नेम द टू एनिमल्स विच रिप्रोड्यूस एसेक्सुअली. You have to write the two animals name which reproduce asexually. So you have seen that in case of the hydra and planaria reproduced by asexually. So hydra and planaria reproduced by asexually methods. Okay. Next question number 4 moves toward the question number 4. State whether human beings reproduce by sexual method or asexual method. अब ह्यूमन बींग्स में देखिए कि रिप्रोडक्शन क्या होता है. सो इन केस ऑफ द ह्यूमन बींग्स रिप्रोड्यूस बाय सेक्सुअल मेथड्स बिकॉज ओनली सेक्सुअल मेथड टू पेरेंट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. नेक्स्ट वन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. विच टाइप्स ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शंस इन्वॉल्व्स गमेट. विच टाइप्स ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन इन्वॉल्व्स गमेट. दैट इज सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन्वॉल्व्स गमेट. एंड पार्ट बी does not involve gametes. Asexual reproduction does not involve gametes. Next, question number 6. Read the question number 6. Give another term for fertilized egg. Give another name of the fertilized egg. So all of you know it very well. Another term for a fertilized egg is zygote, because another name is given to a fertilized egg, that is zygote. Zygote, first of all, zygote is formed. Next, question number 7. Name the process of the fusion of gametes. Name the process of fusion of gametes. So the process by which male and female gametes fuses to each other is called fertilization. Next, question number 8. Do all animals give birth to individual like humans? Do all animals give birth to individual like humans? No. All organisms do not give birth to individual like humans. Okay. Read the question number 9. What is the other name of sex cells? What is the other name of the sex cells? All of you know it very well. Sex cells are also known as gametes. Question number 10. What are the organs in human which produce the gametes? Question number 10. What is the organs in the humans which produces the gametes? So in human, testes is found in the male and ovaries in female are reproductive organs which produce the gametes. Next one is question number 11a. What are the male gametes in the human called? What are the male gametes in the humans? So the male gametes in the humans are called sperms. Question number 11 part B. Name the organs which produce male gametes. Name the organs which produce male gametes. So you have to only tell the answer. Testes produce male gametes called the sperms. Okay, testes produce male gametes called sperms. Read the question number 12. What are female gametes in the humans called? What are the female gametes in humans called? So you have to write the answer, dear students. What are the female gametes in the humans called? So the female sex cells gametes in the humans are called eggs. Okay, so question number 12b. Name the organs which produce female gametes. So name the organs. Ovaries produce female sex cells called eggs. Okay, so from where eggs are removed? So eggs are released from ovaries. Read the question number 13. Name the organs which produce sperms in humans. Name the organs which produce sperms in humans. So dear students, ovaries produce eggs or ova in humans. Question number 15. Read the question number 15. What do testes in the man produce? What do testes produce in the man's? Sperms. Okay, all of you know it, but testes in the man produce male gametes called sperms. Read the question number 16. What do the ovaries in the woman produce? What do ovaries in women produce? So ovaries in the woman produce female gametes called eggs. Question number 17. Which organs of the human body passes sperms from a man to a woman? So which organs of the human body passes sperms from a man to woman? Man to woman कहाँ से process हो रहा है students? Which organs of the human body passes sperm from man to woman? So penis is an organ which passes the sperm from man's body into vagina in the woman's body during mating. So next reach question number 18. In which female reproductive organs does not embryo get embedded? In which female reproductive organs does not embryo get embedded? So the embryo gets embedded in the wall of the uterus for further developments. All of you know the embryo gets embedded. Embryo बाद में कहाँ जाके फंस जाता है? So embryo gets embedded in the wall of the uterus for the further developments. Next question number 19. Which stage comes earlier in the development of the human baby, from zygote, fetus or embryo? So all of you know it very well. So first of all, embryo stage comes earlier in the development of the human baby from zygote. So which stage comes earlier in the development of the human body from zygote? So fetus or embryo? All of you know it very well. First of all, embryo is formed and after that fetus will be formed there. So dear students, we have described 19 questions. Let us move towards the question number 20. So we are just moving question number 20. Read the question number 20, students. Name the technique which is used in the woman blocked ovaries. What is the question there? Name the technique which is used to help a woman with blocked oviducts to have a baby. अब क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, आपको टेक्निक पूछ रहा है. As you have learned that in vitro fertilization, IVF, in vitro fertilization technique is used to help a woman with blocked ovaries to have a baby. Question number 21. Write the full name of IVF. IVF is stand for in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization. Next question number 22. What is the success rate of IVF technique of reproduction in the humans? So what is the success rate of IVF? So the success rate of IVF technique is only about 30 to 40%, because it is not so successful. So the success techniques is only about 30 to 40%. Question number 23. Read the question number 23. What type of fertilization takes place in a egg? So dear students, in case of the eggs, you have seen that internal fertilization takes place. Okay, what type of fertilization takes place in the hen? Internal fertilization takes place in a hen. Okay, but it is a oviparous. In spite of internal fertilization, it is a oviparous animals, and it gives birth because it provides eggs. Next one, question number 24. What terms is used for following? What term is used for the following? The change from tadpole to frog. The change from tadpole to frog. अब tadpole से frog को change करने से आपका पूछ रहा है the transformation of larva tadpole into adult frog through the drastic change is called metamorphosis. So question is the what terms is used for the following? That will be referred as the metamorphosis. Okay. Question number 25. Name two animals which produce embryo that grow into larva before transforming into adults. You have to tell the name of the two animals which produce embryos that grow into larvae before transforming into adults. You have to tell the name two animals. So frog and silks. While describing the process of metamorphosis, you have learnt that metamorphosis process can be seen in case of the frog and silk. So this will be the answer. Question number 26. Read the question number 26. What terms is used for the bulbs observed on the side of the body of hydra? हाइड्रा के साइड से क्या निकलता है? हाइड्रा के साइड bugs are developing new individual are called buds. As you know that buds grows side by in hydra, and that buds detach after some time, and it will be considered as the separate organisms of hydra. Okay. Next one, question number 27. What types of fission takes place in amoeba? So in case of the amoeba, you have seen that binary fission takes place in case of amoeba. So while describing the amoeba, you have seen that amoeba at the extreme height, at the extreme its size, it gets splitted into two cells. It can be splitted, okay, and the cytoplasm and nucleus both gets splitted. Due to that, two amoeba can be produced. So there is only which types of reproductions will be seen in case of that. So that is the asexual reproduction. This is the example of asexual reproduction in case of amoeba while describing that. Read the question number 27. What types fission? 28. Read the question number 28. Name one animals each which reproduces by binary fission, by budding. So in case of binary fission, you will write the answer of amoeba, and in case of budding, you can write the answer of hydra. So hydra and amoeba you can write. Question number 29. Name the asexual method of reproductions in hydra. Question number 29. Just asking the question number 29. Name the asexual method of reproductions in hydra and amoeba. So you have to write the process. So in hydra, reproduce by asexually methods called budding, but in case of the amoeba, that is fission, binary fission will take place. Read the question number 30. Name the technique which was used in the producing dolly sheep. The sheep, the technique that is the cloning. Okay, cloning process. 31. Name the parent sheep of the dolly was a clone. Name the parent sheep of which dolly was a clone. अब डॉली को किससे ऑब्जर्व किया, डॉली को किससे ऑब्टेन किया गया है? As you know that there was a fusion of the cells. So dolly cloning is the technique of which was used in produce dolly cells. So name the parent sheep which dolly was a clone. Dolly was a healthy clone of the Finn Dorset sheep. So डॉली को हमने किससे ऑब्टेन किया था? फिन डॉर्सेट sheep. Okay, तो फिन डॉर्सेट sheep is also a female sheep, and we have obtained the dolly sheep from that. Question number 32. Read the question number 32. What name is given to the following? An animal which is an exact copy of its parents, that is, we will refer to cloning. Question number 33. What are the two personal methods of reproduction in organisms? There are two personal methods. What are two general methods of reproduction in organisms? That is two methods, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Question number 34. Read the question number 34. State whether the following statements are true or false. So there are some statements which are given below. You have to read the statements, and then after you can justify whether the given statements are true or false. So read one by one. Each sperm is a single cell. There is only one. Each sperm is a single cell. So whether this statement is true or false. So as you know that this is the true. A sperm is a single cell with all the usual cell components. A sperm cell is a single cell. That is true. Read the question number 34, B part. A new human individual develops from a cell called gametes. That will be the false, because a new human individual develops from a cell called zygote. तो फॉर्मेशन कहाँ शुरू होता है? जाइगोट से. स्टार्टिंग प्रोसेस जाइगोट से शुरू होता है. न्यू ह्यूमन इंडिविजुअल डेवलप्स फ्रॉम अ सेल कॉल्ड gametes. Question, new human individual develops from a cell called gametes. No, zygote. Question number C. आप देखिए parts. Egg laid after fertilization is made up of the single cell. So that is the true. Egg laid after fertilization is made up of a single cell. D. A zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. True. External fertilization takes place. Zygote true है. Question number F. An embryo is made up of a single cell. The question stands for an embryo is a single cell. False. Embryo is a developing structure which made up of the group of the cell. That is matter of multicellular organisms. Next one, read the question number G. Oviparous animals give birth to young ones. Oviparous animals give birth to young ones. No, oviparous animals give birth to young ones. That's why this statement is false. Internal fertilization takes place in hens. Internal fertilization, yes, of course, internal fertilization will take place in hens. The hens give birth to chickens like human beings give birth to babies. No, because this is the wrong. I के लिए क्या हो जाएगा? False. Fertilization is not necessary in the asexual reproductions. False. Hens are oviparous animals which lay eggs. That's why this statement is false. Next one. Amoeba reproduce by budding. False. Amoeba is reproduced by binary fission. So binary fission is method of asexual reproduction. That is true. Dear student, let us move towards the question number 35. You have to move towards the question number 35. 35. Read the question number 35. We have described here, dear students, binary fissions is a method of asexual reproduction. That will be true. L parts, fertilization necessary even in asexual reproductions. Asexual reproduction does not require fertilization. That's why it is not mandatory fertilization taking place process. Cloning is a sexual reproduction methods in the mammals. M. False. Cloning is the production of an exact copy of cell, any other living part or complete organisms. That is why M statement is false. Read the question number 35. Fill in the following blanks with suitable words. Fill in the following blanks with suitable words. So read the question number. Parts A. The process of, you have to read the questions. Okay. So the process of reproduction ensures continuity of life on earth. So which words you will fill there? You have to only fill up by using the words that is reproductions. If you substitute the word reproductions, then this statement will give complete sense. So the process of reproductions ensures continuity to life on earth. The cells involved in sexual reproductions are called, as you are looking at, the cells involved in sexual reproductions are called gametes. The cells involved in sexual reproductions are called gametes. So you will fill their gametes. Read the part C. Fusion of gametes give rise to a single cell called. Fusion of gametes give rise to a single cell called zygote, because zygote is a single celled. This is the first beginning stage of the life. Fusion of gametes give rise to a single celled called fusion of gametes, zygotes. And read the question number D. The process of fusion of gametes is called fertilization. You will fill there fertilization. E, the part E, read the part E. The other name of the egg cell, other name of the egg cell is called ovum. OVUM, that is other name of the egg cell, that is known as the ovum. Read the part F. The sperm is much smaller, because the sperm is so microscopic study. Sperm is smaller. Okay, so the sperm is much smaller than the egg cells. So read the question number G. In human ones, mature eggs or ovum is released into oviduct every month by the ovaries, by one of the ovaries. ओवरीज से एग्स रिलीज होते हैं 1 मंथ के बाद. ठीक है. रीड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 पार्ट H. द एग्स लेइंग एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड ओविपेरस एनिमल्स. So the cow is a viviparous animals, where ostrich is a oviparous animal. The change of caterpillar into adult silk moth is called J, binary fission. Okay, the change of caterpillar into adult silk moth is called metamorphosis. That is the metamorphosis. So we have done question answers. Dear students, we have discussed all of question answers related to the VSA, very short types question answer. So there are two sections are still three sections are still left, so which you will have to complete with the help of the notes which will be provided you in the PDF formats, which will be sent on today early in the morning. So dear student, before starting to write, when you start to write, first of all you have to include about the chapters, like the few lines which I have discussed in today's video. So take a screenshot of that and you can write the same one in your copy. Dear students, after that you have to include key terms. But what types of the key terms we have discussed in today's video, you have to include all the key terms in your copy work. Okay, and after that very short types question answers you will do. Okay, and dear students, with the help of the notes which will be provided you in the PDF formats on tomorrow early in the morning. So after getting that notes, all of you have to prepare your copy works, and after that your test will be organized on the basis of discussion. Whatever you have discussed in this chapter, your evaluation will be taken. You will be evaluated on the basis of your learning skill, what you have learned. So it will be your choice. So learn all the contents clearly and complete your copy works. Thank you students for watching today's video.